The top line and bottom line are largely in line. I mean, it was a beat on EPS, but the revenue line, which is maybe the one investors watch more, was just a modest beat. That's a good, strong number. The TPV number on an FX neutral basis up 25%. That's also largely in line, so I would expect that's where we're seeing a reasonably neutral reaction. The number that looks like it came in really strong is the new account gains, 9.1 million active account gains this quarter, up from 8.2 in the same quarter last year, which was itself a very good number. So it was already a tough comp. And then the Venmo number also came in a little stronger than we expected, about 17 billion in Venmo volume. We were expecting slightly lower than that. So across the board looks, like I'd say a largely, solid, modest beat kind of across the board from PayPal, what we were hoping to see.
Lisa, the stock came in down like 17% from its high. Is that just getting caught up in the whole pullback in growth stocks? And is there anything in particular in these numbers you would look for to tell us whether that's going to maybe be recouped?
Yeah, so most of it is just the sell-off in growth stocks for sure. I'd say, maybe the PayPal specific issues are twofold. On one hand, maybe I'll call out three. One is certainly there's been a bit of sort of mania and excitement around Venmo monetization, and so investors have been whipping around a little bit on that. We'll look for some commentary from the company during the call. The second one is this is the first quarter that they're rolling off their credit business that they partnered with Synchrony to move off the balance sheet. So there's just been some uncertainty about how that's actually going to hit the numbers, but it looks like it came in line, if not better, on the bottom line. And then the last thing is the partnerships. In the wake of the eBay divorce announcement earlier this year, there's been a lot of anticipation over what are the new partnerships PayPal's going to be able to do now that they're sort of released from the constraints of that relationship. And so the Amex announcement today was a big one. Walmart last week was another big one. So that's the other factor I'd call out.